Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash on products that won't make you weep in regret. Today, we're diving into a battle of the steamers. In the left corner, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and in the right corner, the Bissell Power Fresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. It's like a battle of the cleaning titans, and trust me, one of them is going to mop the floor with the other. So grab your buckets, because we're about to get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S5003D is cruising in at a cool $129, while the Bissell is strutting its stuff at $185. So if you want to save some dough, Shark's your best bet. But hey, you know what they say? Sometimes you gotta pay a little extra to get the bells and whistles. Reviewers appreciate that the Shark offers great value for its price, often remarking on its effectiveness in cleaning and user-friendliness, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious shoppers. On the other hand, while the Bissell is more expensive, many users feel that the dual functionality justifies the cost, especially for those looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of functionality. The Shark is like a steam ninja with its 3-setting intelligent steam control and a double-sided dirt grip washable pad. Reviewers rave about its ease of use and the ability to tackle tough stains with just water. Meanwhile, the Bissell is the multitasker of the group. It vacuums and steams at the same time. Reviewers appreciate this feature, as it significantly cuts down cleaning time, although some mention that the steamer may not be the most powerful. If you want versatility, the Bissell might be your pick, but don't underestimate the Shark's ability to get the job done efficiently. Let's not forget about cleaning power. The Shark uses Steam Blaster technology, so those stubborn stains don't stand a chance. Reviewers have highlighted its effectiveness in cleaning, especially in hard-to-reach spots, and many are impressed with its ability to remove dirt and germs. On the flip side, the Bissell claims it can eliminate 99.9% of germs. Reviewers appreciate its ability to handle various messes, but some mention it struggles with certain materials like crayons. Overall, both products have their strengths, but the Shark seems to edge out slightly in pure cleaning power according to user feedback. Now let's talk about ease of use. Shark's got this touch-free technology that makes changing pads easier than switching Netflix shows, and users seem to love this feature. Meanwhile, Bissell has easy-touch digital controls, allowing you to switch between vacuum, steam, or both with just a touch. Reviewers comment on the convenience of this setup, though some mention that the vacuum option can be a bit loud. Ultimately, both products offer user-friendly features, but the Shark's pad-changing technology is a standout. Finally, let's take a peek at what comes in the box. Shark gives you 2 double-sided pads, which is great, but Bissell comes with a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, and a detachable mop pad tray. Reviewers have noted that Bissell's accessories enhance its cleaning capabilities, making it feel like a complete package. However, some Shark users appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of their included accessories. It's a mixed bag, with Bissell throwing a party and Shark providing a solid, no-frills approach. In summary, both the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop and the Bissell Power Fresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers generally find the Shark to be an excellent value for its price, with effective cleaning capabilities and ease of use. Meanwhile, the Bissell is praised for its dual functionality and versatility, despite some limitations in cleaning power and maneuverability. Both products have garnered positive feedback, making them worthy contenders in the cleaning market. So who's the winner of this battle of the steamers? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with smart tech, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is your go-to. But if you want the ultimate cleaning experience with the power of 2-in-1, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is your knight in shining armor. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.